जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 35th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा teaching निष्काम कर्म to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, karma, performing actions is your natural tendency. That means it is your swadharmam. Not performing actions is not your natural tendency. That means it is paradharmam." So karma yogam is swadharmam, your own duty. Jnana yogam is paradharmam. It's not your own duty. That is why Arjuna, performing swadharmam is easy. There is no danger involved in it. And how much ever you do your swadharmam, it gives its own fruits. Whereas Jnana yogam, paradharmam, though it is very good, but it is very hard to perform, and if it is not performed completely, it won't give any fruit. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma showing us difference between performing karma yogam and performing jnana yogam, and establishing that karma yogam is our own duty and it is very easy to perform, and Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to do karma yogam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Shreyan Swadharmo vigunaha paradharmat svanushthitat swadharme nidhanam shreyah paradharmo bhayavaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, do all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings by reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your message among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. करिष्ये वचनं तव. श्रीमद्भागवतं. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतं द्वितीयस्कन्धं. सूतमहामुनि revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, in order to attain moksham, one should be associated with a pure devotee. You know what is the benefit of association with a pure devotee? The benefit is we get to listen to divine stories of Paramatma from devotees. By listening to Paramatma's stories, we get peace of mind. O Parikshit Narendra, we will not be shaken by grief, happy, hunger, thirst, and illusion, old age, and death. This many benefits are there by listening to the divine stories of Paramatma and by having an association with Paramatma's devotee. Not only that, O Parikshit Narendra, Atma Prasadaha, we will be able to live content. Not only that, we get uninterested towards very impermanent and mundane pleasures. O Parikshit Narendra, by having association with great devotees and by listening to the Paramatma's divine stories, we will slowly get very clear understanding about Atma, and we will be able to get means to get Atma Darshanam. All these benefits are just by having an association, a company with Paramatma's devotee and being listening to Paramatma's divine stories. Not only that, O Parikshit Narendra, then once we get a clear understanding about Atma, slowly we get clear understanding about Paramatma. Then we get more interested towards Paramatma. Then we get more love towards Paramatma. That is what becomes devotion, bhakti. When that devotion becomes more serious, that is what is known as Bhakti Yogam. O Parikshit Narendra, this many extraordinary benefits are there just by having a company, an association with Paramatma's Bhakta and being listening to the Paramatma's divine stories. O Parikshit Narendra, when so many extraordinary benefits are associated with this, ko nirvruto harikathasu ratim na kuryat, who would not be interested in being associated with Paramatma's devotee and who would not be interested in listening to Paramatma's divine stories. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshit Narendra. In the very beginning, Parikshit Narendra asked one question. What is that? O Sukayogindra, what should one need to do? One need to listen when it is the time of departure from the body. What one should be doing? One should be listening. That is what is the question of Parikshit Narendra to Sri Sukayogindra. Now Sukayogindra gave an answer to that question. What is that answer? Get associated with Paramatma's Bhakta and listen to Paramatma's divine stories. Like this, Sri Sukayogindra gave an answer to Parikshit Narendra. All this is said by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. Now, Saunaka is asking a question to Suta Mahamuni. What is that question? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Madraksham Kshina Punyan Kshanamapi Bhavato Bhaktihinan Padabje Masrausham Sravyabandham Tava Charitam Apasya Anyadakhyana Jatam Masmarsham Madhava Tvamapi Bhuvanapate Chetasa Pakhnuvanan Ma Bhuvam Tvatsaparya Parikararahito Janma Janmantarepi Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 35th sloka. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Svanushthitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha Paradharmo Bhayavahaha. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Svanushthitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha Paradharmo Bhayavahaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.